Welcome back to Fast Money. Time for a chart of the week. It is Bitcoin surging 34% since last Friday for its best week since January 2021. Now at its highest level since last June. Crypto-linked stocks also coming along for the ride. Marathon Digital, Coinbase, MicroStrategy all seeing huge gains this week, with Marathon jumping more than 50%. What did you call the now? Was that fat pitch? Is that the term? Is this another fat pitch?
I just find it very uninteresting. I think if you think about Bitcoin and how it acted last year in the period that we've had the highest inflation in 20 years. One of the pillars of the bull case was as an inflation hedge. Now it's obviously acting well, as like centralized financial systems, everything like that are kind of going haywire. I just don't find it that interesting. And then you think about all the money that's pouring into Coinbase, up more than 100% in the year. That doesn't look interesting to me either. If you think about how much market cap has been lost in the traditional banking sector, this is a $17 billion market cap company. This is one way to express this view. I don't think it's going to be a good long-term one.
Well, and what's the biggest risk right now relative to banks? And everybody's flying to Bitcoin because of what's going on with banks. It's regulation. What's the biggest risk to Bitcoin going forward? It's regulation, and it's probably just gotten worse, so it makes me skeptical.
Really? It gets worse?
I think it does, because they're already in the crosshairs, and I think now, generally speaking, the regulatory environment gets turned up, and I think Bitcoin is part of it.
It's interesting that Melissa said that, because I think there's an angle for it to be less, because they're focused so much on banks right now, where I think you have the ability to say regulation.
That was the only thing. Yeah, fair enough.